Hi, this is Bawumia Campaign had the latest hot news in Kwanam the Bremo. So we are subscribe to the channel now. Message say over subscribe. The over ya say over click the subscribe button. Now see what belly notification. We understand video piano was ever can be. I thought we are now like a video no. Give us a thumbs up. Now see share my offer for so now we need be now war and I will win your echo. Afriyie and some about the profit and some cost something.
Over the weekend, I was sent videos from many sources, including our friends here, all of you.
You mean the past weekend?
Yes, the last weekend. That Nana Komia's choice for running mate, the NPP running mate, NAPO. On a rally platform, told the people of the Ashanti region that if they are looking for the one who started this whole comprehensive sexuality education, they should come to me. That I am the one who led a curriculum team to draft a comprehensive sexuality education. And then he adds that I mobilized pastors and imams. That's the shocking part. That pastors and imams agreed to follow me around the country to teach children, and also recruited teachers to come along. And we're teaching children how to accept LGBTQ+, how boys should kiss boys and girls should engage in lesbianism and all of that. I mean, totally horrible stuff.
Is this your interpretation of what he said or you're quoting?
You haven't seen the video?
I have.
That's what he said. That's what he said.
Is that what he said in the video?
Let's watch.
No,
let's watch
the video.
Exactly what he said. Let's just watch it.
Incredible.
And I know who says, "Say, my curriculum." As I said, when I was poor, then show who said you. Me too stand one change me. I know Okudzeto Ablakwa. And we move for any imam for. And we move block. And we move change kola. Teacher for change kola. Said your bema kisi bema. Said your bar. And then the bar oba. Said was a cost of Ghana. And then Dramani Mahama pending president. Obia did 2 terms. Obi saying. Obi adi 2 terms. Obi saying. Obi Mukrama and the Chiakunano when Tinia sang the day. I don't pay the president. So I say open legacy. Mukomisha 4 years. Can you answer that? 4 years. Emma or happy over or Kasha said the budget baby just
Right, so we've seen the relevant portion. It says, okay, so what you said essentially is true.
Yeah.
So you mobilized imams and pastors.
Yeah.
You went around getting teachers to teach kids.
Yeah.
So boys how to sleep with themselves, kiss themselves.
Yeah.
Girls to how to do same.
I mean, what's happening in this?
And that is how
what's happening in NPP?
And that is why John Mahama was booted out.
Yes. So probably because of the curriculum I led and the activities of I and my pastors and imams and the teachers who collaborated with us. That's why President Mahama is the only president who had 1 term. I don't know whether he means that President Mahama was cursed because of that.
Yes.
You know, I mean, vice presidential candidate in this modern era of campaigning. No policy discussions, no great ideas for the future of our country. Look at the state of unemployment. Look at the state of corruption. Look at the state of the economy. People can't get access to their own life savings. The issues that confront us. Look at the state of our environment.
Are you worried that that he has exposed you? Is that your worry?
My worry is that this statement by NAPO is so false. It's blatant concoction. Total fabrication. No truth. Look, it is NAPO himself who introduced. You see, what he is doing is that he knows he will be called out for introducing comprehensive sexuality education in 2019. In
YouTube.
January 2019, he went, it's NAPO, who went to a UNESCO conference and assured UNESCO and the international community that he is introducing comprehensive sexuality education and that his government by September that year, the new academic year, the 2019-2020 academic year, they will introduce comprehensive sexuality. And indeed, it was introduced. All of this LGBTQ agitation, it starts from there. When parents discover that suddenly their children are returning home with textbooks, materials on all of this comprehensive sexuality, the video is available. You play the video with where NAPO at UNESCO telling the international community that they are going to introduce this. So why blame? Look, I was deputy minister in charge of tertiary education. I was not responsible for basic education. I have never been asked to lead a curriculum committee. Never. I have dared him to produce that curriculum. I've dared him. It's been a week now. And he should produce the list of the pastors and imams who followed me around the country. He should produce that list. I mean, what is this? It's so disgusting.
I can assure you that the running mate of the NPP, NAPO, is speaking about unemployment, is speaking about corruption, is speaking about the environment. He's doing an extensive tour of the country, and he speaks about these issues. And he's also speaking about comprehensive sexual education. Because LGBTQ is also topical. But if he's made an allegation against you that you believe is false.
Totally false.
Okay. You've dared him?
Yes, I've dared him. On Monday morning, I put out a statement. And he's been silent since. I have asked for a copy of that curriculum he went to meet at the ministry.
Yeah.
And who were those in the team? You said I led the new curriculum. Who were those in the team? Where is the new curriculum?
It appears Nana is very happy.
And who are those pastors and imams? Nana, are you proud of this?
The campaign of
NAPO. I mean, is this what you've asked him to do?
Take it easy. I mean, the thing that Randy is saying.
No, I can't. Look, these are reputational issues.
Yes.
These are reputational issues. Look at how this country, over 90% are charged against this matter.
So these are reputational issues. So if a major figure like
that. You are lucky he didn't say that Sam Okudzeto Ablakwa. You are lucky.
Can I
oh yeah, like Kwame Nkrumah. Like Kwame Nkrumah suffered.
Now, these are reputational issues, and all of us love our reputation. So, if an allegation has been made against you and you believe it's false, I'm happy that you said you have called him out. NAPO succeeded you. So, let's say maybe he also has some evidence. And so, for me, like I said, I don't like this people throwing punches and counter punches.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Did you ever see in this country pastors and imams following me around this country? Look, let's not, deliberately, create some doubt or some. I mean,
no. Let's
listen to NAPO.
I'm giving both of you the benefit.
Don't give falsehood benefit.
So how do I know which is false? So I'm giving both of you the benefits of the doubt. I have said to you that reputation is important. So if an allegation has been made against you, all of us, and you say it is false, all of us are interested to know this. So I'm happy that
do you have the video, the UNESCO video? Do you have the UNESCO video?
No, but I can find it.
Because
I'll send
my point is, Nana, my point.
You see, because now, from the video that you played, NAPO is saying that the comprehensive sexual education was brought in your time. And you are also saying that no, it was brought in NAPO's time. Yes. So there's accusation or allegation and counter accusation and allegation. I'm hoping that NAPO responds.
So my point really is this. Assuming that there was even a pilot in terms of this comprehensive whatever. Assuming there were pilots.
And there was never a pilot.
Prior.
Okay.
Or there were discussions prior, and you assume office, and you believe that there is something wrong with that thing, or you think that this is not good enough for this country, will you go ahead and implement it?
It hasn't been implemented, has it?
We have a 2019 curriculum that included the comprehensive sexual education.
Yeah, it was implemented.
2019 curriculum by
yes,
NAPO.
in 2019, yes.
So, yes, so you remember,
yes.
you recollect that there were some textbooks that came out.
Yeah.
We even brought them on this show.
Yeah.
And then NACA issued a statement and said that some of those textbooks have not been approved by them, and that it is some publishers who have gone to print some of those books. And we've been asked the action that the NACA and the ministry was going to take against those publishers. As we speak, we don't know what has happened. But the truth is that there is a 2019 curriculum
of comprehensive sexual education.
Comprehensive sexual education. So my point is that so my point is that even if because if you say that I came to here, let's say that some work was done towards that, and you came to power in 2017, and you believe that this is not good enough for Ghana, it's not good enough for Ghana, will you go ahead and go and give global assurances and go ahead and get your institution responsible for curriculum to actually make it official and make it a part of your curriculum? Will you do that?
I've sent you the video.
Anyway, like I said, now
so this was the press release of 23rd May by NACA. This is the book. This is the one that I said we discuss here.
Yeah, I think this was on history.
Say that.
You
Okay, this was the history one. Yes, not this one.
There was another one on comprehensive sexual education.
This is history of Ghana.
Yes, you know that one too. Some people published and they
distorted history.
So what we have now is accusation and counter accusation. Let's see what proof can be brought to the table so we can make up our minds as to where the matter is. But clearly, I mean, you have the right to ensure that your reputation is not damaged.
Is this the video you're talking about?
I mean, this is most unfair, yeah.
Particularly for the youth in our societies. Indeed, the subject of sexuality education has become a very important matter, particularly for the youth in our societies. Indeed, the changing societal context, characterized by the free flow of information, media pluralism, and the social media, has necessitated the need for education systems to provide accurate information of sexuality education. We in Ghana have a guideline that I've shared with you that we see it is imperative if this nation should develop that sexuality education should be part of the curricula that we would launch this year in September, all the way from kindergarten to senior high school. Let me congratulate UNESCO and partners for the timely nature of this high-level dialogue among ministers of the four regions, Eastern, Southern Africa, Western, and Central Africa, to shape the discourse and the implementation of comprehensive sexuality education in Africa. Ghana has long recognized sexual and reproductive health education as a conduit for addressing issues affecting the youth in this area, originally provided by elders and other traditional leaders in community. Aspects of reproductive health education were introduced in the school system with the advent of formal education. The subject of
curriculum as said was Okudzeto Ablakwa.
So here we go. UNESCO in 2019 and then Bantama in 2024.
I mean, what's this?
Anyway,
it's so unfair.
Like I said, at the moment you claim it's unfair, and if you believe your reputation has been damaged, but we have to get a proof.
But Nana, what you watched, what did he say?
The UNESCO one,
yes.
He was talking about reproductive health.
Yes.
I didn't hear him
and comprehensive sexuality education.
I didn't hear him talk about teaching lesbianism.
Oh, no, it's called comprehensive sexual education.
That is the term.
Yes.
Teaching
lesbianism. CSE.
Yes.
Okay. Because
where they tell you that sexes are no longer, they are no longer
he said that
binary.
Ghana will start the implementation in September.
In September.
You heard it?
the implementation of the education.
Yes.
And
the curriculum.
Yeah,
The
and he
curriculum,
actually
yes.
did printed textbooks. He
But
created an uproar.
Sammy, you didn't do any work.
No,
Juicy
not at all.
news on YouTube.
Not at all. And I was a tertiary. He says KG to SHS.
Yeah, but if they did, you wouldn't know.
No. We were at the ministry.
But he mentioned
we
you
were at the
directly.
ministry. And he mentions me directly.
And
That's the man then as education minister.
Yes.
Speaking.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Maybe he has something. So let's wait and see.
Oh. I mean, let's this baseless character assassinations. The whole vice presidential candidate. I mean,
let's wait and see.
Oh, wait for what?
If the evidence doesn't come,
it's been a week since I dared him.
Let's wait for
week.
Napoleon.
It's been a week.
You wait small.
Why do it?
And who are this country, which pastor would dare? Which pastor?
Is that pastors
Pastors and imams.
You have
followed me around the country, and we were not linked.
And you were teaching the boys how to kiss.
Yes, how to kiss each other. We wanted practical demonstration in the presence of pastors and imams.
So
So
you have
look
dared the man. Let's see what he will do.
Which school?
Oh, you have dared him. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. So let's wait and see if you bring the evidence or not. Me myself from here, I will get back to him.
No wait for because this news so and now so we don't subscribe to the channel now. Mr. say over subscribe now. Like now see what share video no ama of so any be now what was let me actually what in Afriyie so we na home ewo comment box no mobati interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.